Hi, I'm Jamie Barnett with the George E. Booth Company. We are a process automation supplier, so we provide instrumentation, valves, actuators, and other automation components for industrial processes. Today I want to show you a popular product from Endress+Hauser, one of the world's leading manufacturers of instrumentation. This device is called the Liquiphant, and this is a vibronic level indicator or level switch built using the tuning fork principle. So as you'll see here, and you may have seen these before, it has forks or blades that vibrate at a specific frequency. We can monitor that frequency, and that frequency will change when process media such as process water covers the forks. And when we see that change, we can indicate that for you. This device is generally used as a high-level switch, so you put it in the top of a tank. The forks are uncovered, meaning that media is not there, and when the forks get covered, it changes. We can give you that status. You can also use it as a low-level switch. So the media would generally cover the forks, and when a process media gets too low, we would indicate that the forks have been uncovered, so therefore you know the product's too low. It can also be used as a media detection device. So let's say you have a pipe and you need to make sure that pipe stays full. You can put these forks in there to indicate that, or you need to make sure the pipe is empty. Maybe it's an overflow pipe or something else, and you need to make sure product is not in the pipe. You can use it for that as well. This device can be configured many different ways, has different housing materials, has different hazardous ratings and power ratings and safety ratings. Whatever you need, we probably have it. Different communications, different other different features such as Bluetooth, and this one here has the LED light display. This is a great feature, especially if you have several of these in a plant and you want to just be able to see the status walking through the plant floor. You'll see the status on this one is green. This one is configured as a high-level switch. So with the forks being uncovered, the light is green, which means everything is good. And if the product covers the forks, the light will change. I'll show you by dipping it in this glass of water here, and you'll see the status light changes to yellow, indicating a status change. So then you would know that the level has reached that point. Now it also offers a red LED that's used for alarms and giving you alarm status for that. Like I said, many different options there. You can also go to our website and look at the different configurations available. And that would be us.endress.com, and you can type in Liquiphant, which is Liquiphant. You can type in that. You can type in level switch. This particular model is the FTL51B, and it's offered in many different options. This one is for liquids. That's called the Liquiphant. We do also offer the Soliphant, very similar device, but with forks that are a little bit different, made more for granules and solid materials. A lot of the same features available. Another feature you can get is we have the extension tube, so that if you need it to go deeper in the tank or whatever your needs are for that application, we probably have a solution for you. Check out our website at us.endress.com. You can also go to George E. Booth website at gebooth.com and find some more information there. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.